in our direction. So at this point, this is an area where we should be looking at, like having at trailing our stops. So this is an area where we had our stop loss right there. Okay. So 4 3 to 1 risk to reward. Then as soon as we entered the trade, we knew that okay, cool. The market just impulsively got us into the trade. Now what do? Trail our stops. We gotta make sure that we don't lose our account. As you can see, we had a very nice pattern. Very nice pattern, very nice pattern, very nice pattern. So immediately the trade went into profits right here. So the trade progressed. So as the trade keeps on progressing, we keep moving our stop loss, keep adjusting with the trades. Plus, it was on Friday, so we just had to be more aggressive. Guys, gang, what's up, man? This is G-Way here, back again with another video. Alright, look. So today we're looking at a very nice trade that we took on Friday, right? So just gonna be reviewing our two trades that we took on Thursday and Friday. Right, so at the end of this video, I want to make sure that you know how to enter your trades. I want to make sure that you know how to position your trades for the best possible entry and how to manage your trades. You get me? Like how we managed this one on Thursday. As you can see, we were looking for possible selling opportunities in the markets right here, man. And yeah, as you can see, we were right about the drop that we were anticipating right here. So let's just go back to Thursday and see what we were looking at, right? Let's just start back from here because this is where the week had started, right? Let's delete everything. So let's go back to Sunday. So this is Monday right here. This is our Monday analysis. So first thing we see, when you look at the daily time frame, right? We see that we are in this trend right there on the daily charts. So you know what else we're anticipating, right? So we're anticipating a third touch of right here or right here. Either one of these trend lines right there, as you can see, is our third touch. So we could move up, give us a third touch, and then we drop, or we could come down, give us a third touch, and then we rise. You get me? So that's what we were anticipating on the longer time frames, right? So as we drop it down, we can clearly see that we're in this very strong bullish trend right there, as you can see. So yeah, we're not gonna pay attention to the whole rise up. We're just gonna pay attention to the most recent structure, which is important. Paying attention to the most recent structure really helps you filter out how you're gonna take those opportunities. Like for here, we notice this double top pattern right here, bro. It's not the most clear double top pattern, but it's a double top pattern. This is our first leg of the double top pattern. We dropped, we rejected the same level, and then we went back down again, and then now we got our second leg. Oh, we couldn't even say it was a triple top if we're gonna be looking at this one as like a second touch of the zone or the trend line. But to me, I'm just looking at this as my double top pattern. But yeah, it's cool. We can even say it's a triple top, call it whatever you want. Okay, so down here we can see that we have two touches of this trend line. So anticipating either a breakout and retest to move lower, since this is a reversal pattern, and we've just seen this triple top right there. We can clearly see that we had another double top another double top structure right here. So at this double top structure, we're anticipating a drop, right? So let's just okay. So we can clearly see that the market was sort of like retracing or failing to break above this point, and then we drop. So first impulsive move anticipating some sort of retrace, and then we drop lower, right? So let's just play and just see how the market moves. So as you can see right here, we also have another entry. We had a very nice entry on Tuesday, which we did take, right? So let me show you why we took the entry, right? So that we were in an overall downtrend right here. First impulsive move, and this was a first initial correction, first proper correction in the markets after this huge drop. So impulse retrace. So this is our retrace. We see that we have a very tight flag pattern right there. So this is our favorite pattern, by the way, right here at Graphics. We have more entries on this pattern than any other flag pattern right there. It's the pattern with the most, with the highest probability of playing out, and like you don't really need to worry about timing it perfectly. You just have to place your sell stops down below, uh, have your stop loss right above. So overall, this is how we have the trade. Still in the trade right now. Yeah. So this was a very nice week. We had 3 entries. One entry, we could say that this was an entry where we had our TP hit, and then the rest of the entries, uh, 2 of them actually were at break even. One of them was at 0.55, and then this one is at 0.86. So overall, we had like roughly about like 5%, bro. Nah, 4%. Since this was a 3, then 0.8 plus 0.5 is like 1 point something, and then 3. So we made around roughly 4% for the week. This was a very profitable week. And I'm not gonna lie, bro. Not all weeks are this successful, but this one was really successful. I really enjoyed this week. So yeah, if you've made it this far into the video, please drop a like so more people can see the video, so the channel can also grow, right? Please subscribe, drop a comment if there's anything you want to know, drop a comment if there's anything you need help with, drop a comment if there's anything you need me to explain. Yeah. Just drop a comment, bro. Just like, let's interact, let's like talk. I wanna like get to know y'all, you get me? Yeah, so that was it for the video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you made it this far, please check out this video, and yeah, see you on the next one. our thing will wait. And this was way before the London session started. So here, as soon as the session started, bro, at like 10, we got our entry. So this candlestick triggered us into the trade. Okay, this candlestick triggered us into the trade. So now, since we see that the market had you know progressed a little bit and now changed an area where we could have placed our stop loss. So we're just gonna change that a little bit, put it right there, and then we have to adjust our TP to make sure that we're still at a 3-to-1 risk reward. So now at this point we're at 2.6 to 1 risk reward. Just gonna drag it out a little bit, make sure we're at a 3. Yeah. So even if we lose 3 trades in a row, we're gonna be secured if one of them hits our TP. So for now, we're just gonna wait for the pattern to do its thing, and then we're gonna be looking at trading. Okay. So at this point, we were stopped out. Right. So we're stopped out right here. So for a nice trade, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it was a very nice entry, but it was just unfortunate that we only got out with a little bit of the profits. But break evens are better than losing, bro. As long as there's plus on your MC4 or on your accounts, it's better than seeing negatives on the account. Like losing money, I hate losing money. I'd rather make like 0.4% like this one, 0.5% on the trade, rather than losing 1%. You get me? That's just the mindset I have when I'm trading this. When I'm trading Euro USD. Alright, so with that being said, we also get another entry right here. Also get another possible entry right here. So anticipate this to drop, since it is a valid flag pattern. But I have a rule: don't enter too many trades in one day. Since we already have entered this one, we're just gonna wait. We got stopped out. We're just gonna wait. Okay. So on the M15, we could clearly see that this pattern right here was confirming that we're gonna be moving lower in the markets. And in line with the higher time frame structure, we were anticipating an overall move lower on the daily and the 1 hour time frame, right? So as we saw, now we're at an area where the market is moving lower. So as you can see right here, this was our impulsive move, right? So this was our overall impulsive leg. So now we're just waiting for our retracement. So retracement, this is our retracement. We had an expanding channel. So with expanding channels, the way we enter expanding channels is very nice, because we have to try to aim for a pattern within the pattern with these expanding channels. So with me, I was like, okay, this was the trade that I would have entered, but I was way too late in reacting, because as you can see, it was way early in the mornings. So I don't really trade at like 5 a.m., 4 a.m., right? So we just have to wait until the London session gave us an entry. So you know what we do. Then when I tried this one out, I'm like, whoa, damn. So how are we gonna enter that one? Looking at it right now, we can clearly see that this was a very entry to enter the markets. Looking at this as like it's a possible entry. Alright. So I was like, okay, let's wait for another candle to confirm. So it started moving up. So at that point, I was really happy, bro, because it gave me a low. But then, no, bro. So at this point, when we saw the market moving up, I was really happy, bro. I was really happy because it was giving me another correction. It gave me a low. So it's really hard to time these entries when you don't really have a low, right? So at this point, when I saw this pattern, I was like, okay, cool. So we have our low. We have an area where we could be looking at possibly placing our trades below it, right? So at this point, we don't have an area where we could be looking for our our stop loss. So we just now we're just like, okay, cool. Just gonna let the market do its thing. The more the market progresses, the more we're gonna be trying to like look for more entries. Okay, so right here we're triggered into the trade. So why did I get more confidence in entering the trade? Was because of this very nice double top pattern right here, which was also a head and shoulders. Another trade in the week where we got like stopped out at break even, right? So we continue with the trend. It did its thing, stopped out before we continued in our direction, which is always annoying. I'm not gonna lie, I hate that, but it's part of the game. We just have to adjust to it. We just have to get used to it. So this is very nice steep flag pattern right here. So what we had to do now is just have our stop. We have our entry down here. Stop loss right above. Stop loss just above. Aiming for a 3-to-1 risk to reward. 3-to-1 risk to reward, my guy. So as you can see, just letting the trade do its thing. Just gotta be patient with these ones. Okay, so this is where our trade got triggered in. So yeah, as you can see, we had a very nice pattern. Very nice pattern, very nice pattern, very nice pattern. So immediately the trade went into profits right here. So at this point, when the market moved very impulsively towards the downside, okay, that was our cue to move our stops to break even, right? So this was me moving on my trade to break even, first impulse. And why do we usually move our trade to break even? We have to wait for the market to move around the same area as your stop loss. So with the same area as my stop loss, as soon as the market moves at the same distance, actually. So as soon as the market moves the same distance as my stop loss, this is a hack for y'all. If the market moves the same distance as your stop loss, that's when you have to move your SL2 profits. Just trail the trade, make sure that you're not losing. So this was immediately a risk-free trade. Even if it doesn't go our way, we're not losing a single cent on this one. So the trade progressed. So as the trade keeps on progressing, we keep moving our stop loss, keep adjusting with the trades. Plus, it was on Friday, so we just had to be more aggressive with the entry. So we just kept moving since it was Friday. Not really bothered or worried about it getting us stopped out right here. So we're just gonna be really aggressive with the stops, since it was just the end of the week, and not looking for those weird gaps on Sunday and over the weekend. So overall, this is how we have the trade. Still in the trade right now. Yeah. So this was a very nice week. We had 3 entries. One entry, we could say that this was an entry where we had our TP hit, and then the rest of the entries, uh, 2 of them actually were at break even. One of them was at 0.55, and then this one is at 0.86. So overall, we had like roughly about like 5%, bro. Not 4%, since this was a 3. Then 0.8 plus 0.5 is like 1 point something, and then 3. So we made around roughly 4% for the week. This was a very profitable week. And I'm not gonna lie, bro. Not all weeks are this successful, but this one was really successful. I really enjoyed this week. So yeah, if you've made it this far into the video, please drop a like, so more people can see the video, so the channel can also grow, right? Please subscribe, drop a comment if there's anything you want to know. Drop a comment if there's anything you need help with. Drop a comment if there's anything you need me to explain. Yeah. Just drop a comment, bro. Just like, let's interact, let's like talk. I wanna like get to know y'all, you get me? Yeah, so that was it for the video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you made it this far, please check out this video, and yeah, see you on the next one.